Hello, welcome back to Skyblock, and yeah, we kind of went overboard. Well, yeah, I found a friend on survival. Yeah, I tried to record a thing of survival games, oops, and that kind of failed. So I thought I was recording, and in the meanwhile, I met El Ninja, and now he's been helping me out with Skyblock. So yeah, we kind of went a little overboard on what we were supposed to do. Wow. And yeah, I was only supposed to do a little cobble frame, and it led up to this because I did the cobble frame, and when I was doing that, I actually kind of, yeah, I played survival games, then I met him, and then this happened. So and then I tried to record when he first got on Skyblock, but no, it just wasn't happening. It wouldn't let me, and it crashed, so I just said screw it. So yeah. And then we got our first fish. It's a salmon. Salmon. Woohoo! We got a salmon. Yeah, but this is the first fish we ever got, so decorations. Oh, shoot. Whew, that was a close one. We got our fish back. Yeah, but I was really happy that we got our fish, or that I got my first fish, because I didn't think this was going to do it. It did. We also got one extra. Oh, shoot! No. Where did it go? No. Did it fall off the edge? Well, we have extras, but where'd it go? Message, El Ninja. Where did it go? No, can't type. Okay. Where'd it go? No. Did it fall off the edge? I did. I'm like a minute in, I think. I don't know. I'll just, okay. Okay. Huh. Let's see, so, okay. He got all this leather. I liked it. Oh, hi, YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Well, okay. Yeah, and he made this generator, so I just made a double one. I love doing that. And we've been pretty busy. So we've got a pretty big place, as you can see. We've got a lot of furnaces over here, and then we've got this one. I'll just give him a few. Okay. You gotta make them? Okay, yeah. So I really need to eat. Yeah. So yeah, we made this generator, and we kind of went over what we had a few stacks, actually, but that was probably from buying, I think. That's what I think. So yeah, I actually have no clue what he did when I was gone. I don't think he did anything, but when I came back on this morning, he was here. No, but he was here trading for people, so yeah. The perfect time to upgrade. Yeah, but since we upgraded so much, I didn't want to upgrade anymore, because I didn't want it to be like, oh, YouTube episode 2, we build a mansion. Yeah. Okay, let's go make it bigger. Message, El Ninja, I'm making it bigger. Oh no, winky face. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, how big should we make this? Like, we can't make it too big, so we might want to not build a huge base on this, because there are other islands. If I go into 6 chunks, you can probably see it. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Why am I not locked on 30? What? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm just not gonna lock on 30. Okay, but yeah, we've been hard at work, as you can tell. Message, Ninja. Did you see the fish? Yeah! Okay. Now I'm gonna cook this fish. I'm gonna cook it. Yeah, but he left some signs. Our salmon. Our salmon. You didn't see it? Come on. Yeah. We got it back. We got it back. Yeah, I'm gonna cook this fish. I don't care about this. Ooh, crap. I know something. Okay. Do you want to have a whole wall of fish? Oh, whoops. Yeah. Because I've got this one. Ah. Yeah, but this is our fishing rod. That's his. Oh, wait. What? Oh, I thought we had that fishing rod. Because we lost our first item. Ooh, cactus. Ah. Okay. Where did it go? Did it go in the, oh, did it disappear like the other one? No. I blame you. It disappeared. What the heck? Okay, yeah, I don't know why, but it disappeared. Huh. That's weird. Huh. That's so weird. Okay, well, apart from that, I'm just gonna build a little thing. Okay, what I'm thinking is, I think we should build this little, like, a little kingdom. I want to see if you must say message. Do you want to expand a lot, then do a little kingdom? Maybe? I don't know. Please? Okay, do you wanna? Yeah. Okay, might wanna move fish. Mr. Fish. I think we should build him a big grand entrance. Ooh, we almost lost our item frame and fish. Okay. That was a close one. Okay. I'll make the message. No, El Ninja. I'll make the gate to the kingdom. Okay. Okay, so I think it should be like this big or something. No, bigger. I don't want to go all the way though. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna build out of walls. Walls. That's what we needed. I'm gonna make 3. Okay. Woo. Ah, my throat. Okay. I really need a drink. I just woke up and started to record, so literally woke up like 15 minutes ago. I don't know. Oh shoot, I was gonna say, do we have glowstone? That was a stupid question. Okay, I'm making this proper. Okay, ah, I didn't want to get something. Okay, shoot. We need one more salmon if we're doing this. Okay, that's fine with me. Salmon. We need one more salmon. No, I'll put the fish in it. Because we have the real first fish we caught, and then we have the fake.
Hello, YouTube.
So, yeah. Hold up. Oh, Well, you can't make sticks that way. Okay. I'll be right back. I need to do something. Okay. So, yeah, we're not going to do the salmon. That was a stupid idea. Because I want to know what real fish we had first. And we forgot the leather. Okay. What's he doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, he broke his pick on that. Okay. So we need one leather. Oh, yeah. And then make an item frame. Okay. Here we are. And I think it's going to end the episode off. The fish. All hail fish.